Crime, child rape. Punishment, castration. That isn't us saying it. It's the Madras High Court in an observation on a ruling. They say when the crime is barbaric, like child rape or child molestation, the punishment should be commensurate. And what is the prescription? They've said castration and nothing less. It sparked, obviously, a big debate among experts, among legal experts, as well as activists. We've captured all sides to get you the story.
Four horrific cases of minors being raped. And with sexual offences against children only rising, Madras High Court has upped the ante with a landmark order: castrate those who rape children. The strongly worded order states, suggestion of castration looks barbaric, but barbaric crimes should have barbaric model of punishment.
In the past, the Chief Minister of the state, J. Jayalalitha, had suggested chemical castration for people, those who have committed crime against women. But however, there have been several committees, including the Justice Verma committee, that has rejected such harsh punishments. And there are several countries that have been following this punishment. But there is no data as such whether because of this punishment, the number of cases have come down.
And the addition of castration to punishment for sexual offenders has received a mixed response.
I think it's entirely wrong. I don't agree with this. We can't take our country back to the Stone Age. We are an ancient civilization, and we have come a long way.
I think when we respond to such crimes, our response should be sober. We cannot go in this kind of we can't react in the same manner, because as a judicial officer, as a court, we need to respond to it very in a sober fashion.
He was of the opinion that immediate action should be taken on the abusers. I welcome that. But for me, castration is not the answer for penalizing the abusers.
Citing recent rapes of infants and children in the national capital, among other cases, the court said keeping silent on the issue would be an injustice. While some have lauded Madras High Court for taking a stand, others have questioned the order on humanitarian grounds. With Sri Reddy in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.